Hey guys, wanted to go over maintenance expectations. We did this landscape back in November and it's around June 1st, and the customer called us saying, what the heck? We talked about low maintenance, we talked about no weeding, and we have weeds coming up. There's weeds all along these edges. We have a little blue stem grass here, blue stem grass here and here. So there are some desirable plants, but there's a lot of weeds coming up in this landscape. They said we're really not expecting that at all. So I want to show you what the landscape looks like if we don't take care of it and spot spray. So we're really expecting spot spraying those weeds once a month throughout the springtime. So starting around March, spot spraying those weeds. I'm going to pause it and then, well, we'll just go ahead and continue on up through here. So spot spraying those weeds with Extended Control Roundup. That Extended Control has a pre-emergent product in it. So here's a butterfly bush right here, some boxwoods, hydrangea. But the Extended Control Roundup has pre-emergent in there that allows the weeds to stop coming back. So it does not just only kill it, it also keeps the new weeds from germinating. What we're looking at in this landscape, there's not a lot of weeds, but what there is has gotten huge. So we have a spurge right here that's like a foot around, that's covering this whole area. So these are expectations, like the customer's like, well, I thought it was really low maintenance. Well, this is what we consider low maintenance, but it is something that still has to be taken care of. And then let's also step over, after we're looking at the decorative rock beds, let's step over and look at similarly underneath the tree over here. So underneath the tree over here, we're seeing a lot more weeds. This is a mulch bed and we can't put down weed barrier underneath mulch. And we're getting weeds popping up everywhere right in here. And he says just as soon as he sprays them, they just come right back. And again, that's because he's using Roundup Pro instead of the Roundup Extended Control, which has the pre-emergent in it. So just wanted to show you expectations. And then we'll talk about pruning in another video as far as how often it needs to be pruned and such as that. Thanks.